Today we are going to make drafted rib design. In this design, it doesn't have drafted rib, so we're gonna make drafted rib on it. To make a drafted rib in this design, create the right plane and sketch a line from here to here and then exit the plane. Now go to rib and select the contour, select the line, and you can see change the thickness of the line. And if you click the detail preview, you will see what will it looks like before you finalize the design. Now change the degree to 20 degree and you can see in detailed preview what will it look like. So here. Now check the design. Now we already have a drafted rib. Now in this design, we're gonna rotate this drafted rib in the cylinder. To make it, go to linear pattern and select the circular pattern. Now click where the pattern will revolve and then check the design. Now we already have a design for drafted rib.